Hello friends, welcome in RKG Biology tutorial. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about tissue. We know that tissue is a group of cells which are similar or dissimilar in structure and similar in function and origin. See, tissue, it is a group of cells which are similar or dissimilar in structure and similar in function and origin. एक टिश्यू के अंदर जितने भी सेल्स होते हैं वो सेल्स स्ट्रक्चरली सिमिलर भी हो सकते हैं या डिसिमिलर भी हो सकते हैं. क्लियर? एंड दीज सेल्स एग्रीगेट, दीज सेल यूनाइट to perform a particular function, to perform a common function. Clear? That means cells of a tissue perform same function, similar function, and they have the common origin, same origin. Origin means what? See, during the embryonal stage, 3 germ layers are formed, like the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. And all the cells of a tissue either derived or developed or originated from ectoderm or from mesoderm or from endoderm. That means all the cells of a tissue have a common origin, have a similar origin, and they aggregate, they unite and perform a particular function, common function. And structurally, cells of a tissue may be similar or dissimilar. Clear? So we can define tissue. It is a group of cells which perform similar function and have common origin, similar origin. Clear? See, tissue first of all appear in the phylum Coelenterata. Coelenterata members, that we also say Cnidaria. Cnidaria के मेंबर्स में, Coelenterata के मेंबर्स में सबसे पहले टिश्यू अपीयर हुआ, एराइज हुआ. Like the example Hydra, Aurelia, Obelia, Physalia. These are the member of Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Coelenterata में, Cnidaria में सबसे पहले टिश्यू अपीयर हुआ, ओरिजिन हुआ. See, we know cells aggregate to form the tissue and tissues aggregate to form the organ and organs aggregate to form the organ system, and organ systems aggregate to form the body of living organism. Clear? So the smallest structural and functional unit of body of living organism is the cell. Many cells aggregate to form the tissue, many tissue aggregate to form the organ, and many organs aggregate to form the organ system. In human body, like the digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, immune system, locomotory system, muscular system, skeletal system, nervous system, many more systems are present. and these system aggregate, unite and make the body of living organism. Clear? The study of tissue known as the histology. टिश्यू के स्टडी को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? हिस्टोलॉजी बोलते हैं. क्लियर? सो इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी which deals with the study of tissue, that is the histology. And histology term first of all coined by Mayer. Mayer ने सबसे पहले histology term दिया था. Clear? And histology founded by the Marcello Malpighi. मार्केलो मैलपिगी ने हिस्टोलॉजी ब्रांच को स्टेब्लिश किया. एंड मार्केलो मैलपिगी कंसिडर्ड एज नोन एज फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न हिस्टोलॉजी. फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न हिस्टोलॉजी, that is the Marcello Malpighi है. Clear? See one thing here. The term tissue, सबसे पहले term tissue को tissue term सबसे पहले प्लांट एनाटॉमी के केस में, प्लांट के केस में एन ग्रीव ने दिया. ठीक है? एन ग्रीव ने सबसे पहले टिश्यू वर्ड को प्लांट एनाटॉमी, प्लांट के केस में प्रपोज किया. और टिश्यू वर्ड का यूज एनिमल के केस में, जूलॉजी के केस में जो है कि बाइकॉट ने किया. बाइकॉट ने. एंड बाइकॉट नोन एज द फाउंडर ऑफ एनिमल हिस्टोलॉजी. फाउंडर ऑफ एनिमल histology, that is the Bicot. Clear? Okay. Now we will discuss different types of tissue in animal. On the basis of location, function and structure in animal, 4 different types of tissues present. That is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Okay? So 4 different types of tissue present in animal, that is in human tissue. That is पहला टिश्यू है, that is the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue हमारे बॉडी का आउटर कवरिंग और इनर कवरिंग बनाता है. क्लियर? दैट मीन इट लाइन द इनर सरफेस ऑफ द बॉडी और बॉडी ऑर्गन एंड आउटर सरफेस ऑफ द बॉडी एंड बॉडी ऑर्गन्स. क्लियर? जैसे स्टमक है, स्टमक का जो आउटर मोस्ट लाइनिंग है दैट इज आल्सो कवर्ड बाय द एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, एंड जो इनर लाइनिंग है दैट आल्सो कवर्ड बाय द एपिथेलियल टिश्यू. तो जो एपिथेलियल टिश्यू है ये हमारे बॉडी का आउटर एंड इनर लाइनिंग बनाता है. क्लियर? एंड देयर आर 5 different types of epithelial tissue. That is the squamous epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, and that is ciliated epithelial tissue, and that is the glandular epithelial tissue. So these are the 5 different type of epithelial tissue: squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, ciliated epithelium, and glandular epithelium. Clear? And these epithelial tissue perform different type of functions, and they vary in their structure of cells, their function. They perform the function of osmosis, diffusion, filtration. They perform the function of protection. So these are the different functions of epithelial tissue. They conduct the material. Clear? So these are the epithelial tissue. Next tissue, that is right here, muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. Three different types of muscular tissue, that is striated muscle, striated muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Clear? These are the three different types of muscular tissue. And striated muscles, also known as somatic muscle, or skeletal muscle, or red muscle, or phagic muscle, or voluntary muscles. Many names given to the striated muscles, and these muscles mostly attached to the bones. Clear? Second one is the smooth muscle. Smooth muscle, also known as involuntary muscles or non-striated muscle. They are mainly present in the internal organs, in alimentary canal. So they are known as the visceral muscles. Clear? And cardiac muscle present in heart, myocardium of heart. So these are the three different type of muscular tissue. They helps in movement and locomotion. They provide proper shape to the body, proper framework to the body. Clear? Next tissue, that is the connective tissue. Connective tissue. And connective tissue is of mainly four types. First one is the, I represent A2, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue means फैट स्टोरिंग टिश्यू. ऐसा टिश्यू जो फैट का स्टोरेज करता है उसको बोलते हैं हम एडिपोज टिश्यू. और एडिपोज टिश्यू में व्हाइट एडिपोज टिश्यू आता है एंड ब्राउन एडिपोज टिश्यू. व्हाइट एडिपोज टिश्यू अडल्ट के केस में प्रेजेंट होता है. ब्राउन एडिपोज टिश्यू इन्फेंट के केस में, बेबी के केस में प्रेजेंट होता है. एंड दे आर द फैट स्टोरिंग टिश्यू. नेक्स्ट है हमारा, दैट इज फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. और फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू में ब्लड और लिम्फ आता है. ब्लड एंड लिम्फ. क्लियर? सो वी नो अबाउट ब्लड एंड लिम्फ. Blood, that is mesodermal in origin. It is softest connective tissue. It is made up of blood cells and blood plasma. And lymph means blood minus RBC and blood protein. That means blood clotting factor. So that is the lymph. It is clear, transparent fluid. Clear? It is the middleman of the body. Next connective tissue, that one is the connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper. And this connective tissue proper is of two types. One is the loose or areolar connective tissue. Clear? And this loose or areolar connective tissue having the two types of fibers. One is the yellow elastic, yellow elastic fibers, and second one is the white collagen fibers. Clear? These two types of fibers present in loose or areolar connective tissue. Clear? And the second type of connective tissue proper is, that is the compact or dense connective tissue, and under it comes the ligament, tendons, and aponeurosis. Okay, so ligament, tendons, and aponeurosis, that is the dense proper connective tissue. Okay, and the fourth type of connective tissue is the D here, skeletal tissue, and under skeletal tissue, bones and cartilage, comes. Okay, bones also different types: cartilaginous bones, membranous bones, spongy bone, compact bone. These are the different types of bones. And cartilage also different types: hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage, elastic cartilage, okay, calcified cartilage. So these are the bone and cartilage, and our endoskeleton mainly made up of bones. So they make the skeletal tissue. So these are the connective tissue: adipose tissue, fluid connective tissue proper, and skeletal tissue. And the fourth type of tissue, that is the nervous tissue. In nervous tissue, neurons and glia cells comes. ठीक है? Neurons, we know, neuron or nerve cell is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. जो nervous system का structural और functional unit है, that is the neuron or nerve cell. And neuron or nerve cell never divide. Clear? During the embryonal stage, they produce and they remain in that number. It not multiply or divide. And the glial cell or glia cells, these are the supportive cells. They hold the neurons to the blood vessel. They helps in supplying the nutrient to the nerve cells. Clear? So neurons and glia cells comes under the nervous tissue. And neurons, they are the special type of cells, and on the basis of structure, function, origin, place, and myelin, they are many types. See here, nerve cells on the basis of origin के basis पे न्यूरॉन या नर्व सेल 3 different types के होते हैं. That is cranial nerve ब्रेन से राइज होती है. स्पाइनल नर्व स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से राइज होती है. एंड visceral nerve. So these are the different type of nerve cells on the basis of origin. Clear? And nerve cells on the basis of structure के basis पे nerve cells, they are of different types. That is non-polar nerve cell, unipolar nerve cell, bipolar nerve cells and multipolar nerve cells. Clear? So on the basis of structure, nerve cells are non-polar, unipolar, bipolar and multipolar. And these nerve cells on the basis of function, also three different types, that is sensory nerve cell, also known as afferent nerve cell. Next one is the motor nerve cell, motor nerve cell also known as efferent nerve cell, and mixed nerve cell. Clear? Nerve cell. Okay, nerve cell. Okay, so sensory nerve cell are afferent nerve cell, motor nerve cell are efferent nerve cell, and mixed nerve cell. These nerve cells on the basis of function. And nerve cells on the basis of myelin sheath, प्रेजेंट है या absent है nerve cell में, इसके बेसिस पे भी दो तरह की nerve cell होती हैं. On the basis of myelin sheath. Clear? So that is myelinated nerve cell, या इसी को बोल सकते हैं हम लोग मेड्यूलेटेड नर्व सेल. और सेकेंड आता है इसमें नॉन माइलिनेटेड या नॉन मेड्यूलेटेड nerve cell. Clear? So these are the different types of neurons or nerve cell. Okay, and neuron or nerve cell first of all appear in the phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria, like the member Hydra, Aurelia, Physalia. Clear? So these are the brief introduction about the tissue. In next lecture we will discuss in detail one by one all these tissues. Okay.